Hello, today I have with me Susanne Conrad from Frankfurt. Susanne has lots of experience in-house in organizations and big companies where she was marketing manager and strategic marketing manager and director e-learning and organizational development consultant. So a lot of experience, and she's now a learning consultant. Hello, Susanne.
Hello, Holger.
Susanne, you are a real bridge builder, and I would like to talk with you about how to build bridges between the analog and the digital space, because this is something I think many people struggle with nowadays.
Yeah, actually, many people perceive, that's at least how I perceive it, the digital and the analog space as polarities. And I really invite my clients and my customers to step out of this either or and build a bridge between these spaces. So what does this mean? What does this mean? It means that basically it is not the space that is shaping us. It is us who shape the space.
Tell me more.
And this means, maybe I can give an example. We all have face-to-face meetings in mind, or workshops or conferences where we experience maybe a behavior that is not respectful, or maybe even manipulative, or in a meeting, maybe we have not spent our time with a good result, or it's ineffective or inefficient. So we all have some examples of that happening in face-to-face. And on the other side, in the virtual space, what I experience again and again is people saying, you know what, I'm super surprised. I have never had such meaningful conversations in such a setting, or we have been surprisingly fast. We've been so effective and goal-oriented in our meeting.
And I know this is one of your specialities. You imparted wonderful workshops on virtual listening. What's a very concrete, specific tip for leaders, facilitators, for teams, how to host meaningful conversations in a virtual environment?
Yeah, this depends on the format. Yeah, so it really depends on what am I going to do. Is it about a virtual training? Is it a virtual meeting? Is it about leading teams virtually, or is it a virtual workshop? Yeah, so the tips depend on what am I going to achieve. In a virtual training, I really have to make sure that people are able to learn and engage and enjoy, and I have to support learning by interacting and choosing the tools. In a virtual meeting, it's more about how do I get all voices heard? How can I take decisions? How can I make sure that we all have the same understanding of what is the result of the meeting? Yeah. And as a virtual leader, it's much more about building trust and connection. Because
So there's a lot to learn, and there's not one position of a facilitator, a virtual leader. It's very different skills and methods and tools that we need, right?
It's always 3 levels: tool set, skill set, and mindset. And probably the mindset is always the most powerful.
And as our common friend Brigitte said, it's also the heart set.
Yeah, and also the heart set. I love that. Yeah.
Thank you very much.